Hello, I'm in a 2015 Hyundai Elantra, and today I'm going to show you how to set up Bluetooth. So a couple options to look for. Um, Maybe look along your steering wheel, see if you have any options that look like somebody speaking. You might be able to do a connection through your voice if you're lucky, like the voice commands where you talk to the car. Otherwise, you have your center dash here, so you want to turn your radio on. And then if you are able to connect through it this way, somewhere around here there'd be like a media type button. And here, this particular model says no media, but other models might have a few options there that might say something like Bluetooth or phone, something like that to connect to. But like I said, this particular model doesn't have anything here and also has no voice controls where you can voice connect through to set up a Bluetooth. So in that case, this particular model does not have Bluetooth. So you're left with the options of, say, like an aftermarket radio you can install, or sometimes there's plugins for the auxiliary ports, or something that's like aftermarket that can connect through like a radio frequency. But otherwise, I hope this tutorial was helpful. Have a great day.